Hey, Matthew Cummer here, and I'm at 1004 Snow Peak Court in Raleigh. This house just had a $10,000 price drop yesterday. Let's go have a look. Hey, welcome back. Today we've got the Taylor model from Homes by Edmund. This model has a Raleigh address and is just south of Garner, North Carolina. It has 0.97 acres, so almost a full acre. It also has a main floor primary suite and is at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in an established neighborhood. The Taylor has 2,920 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. The price for the Taylor just dropped $10,000 the day before posting this video down to $740,000. But as always, be sure to reach out to me for the most current pricing and details. Enjoy the tour. Alright, so here we go. This is 1004 Snow Peak Court. Lovely cul-de-sac. Sun coming through the trees there. Beautiful day for a home tour. Let's go have a look. Alright, this one is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,920 square feet. And recently dropped from $750,000 to $740,000. Here's your porch. That's what it looks like coming out the front door. Let's go ahead and scope out the inside. Spacious open area directly in from the door. Got a study just to the right with 3 bright windows. There's a coat closet. Got your shut off in there. And your stairs to upstairs, but we'll go up there in a bit. In this central room, you've got offshoots to a bedroom and a bathroom that way. Got your fireplace. That goes off to the kitchen. And this goes to an enclosed covered porch area. There's a further uncovered porch area just beyond there. We'll get a better look at this once we get to the other porch and we don't have a screen in our way. Okay, got a half bath here. And then you have a suite here with its own bathroom as well. A couple of bright windows there. Bathroom, double vanity. Medium-sized drawers with slow close. Tiled-in shower. And over yonder we have a little cove with some shelving, an open linen closet there. And we've got some built-ins. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this tour. I wanted to mention that I can provide value to you if you're in another state or even another country. There are ways that I can help you start on the right track, like referring you to an amazing agent where you live. Just send me a text or book a call using the link in the description, and I'll gladly connect you with someone who'll take excellent care of you, just like I would if you were here in South Raleigh. So don't hesitate to reach out. I am genuinely happy to help. And out here is that open porch area. This home is on 0.97 acres, so just shy of a full acre. Look back at the enclosed porch area there that we were in a few minutes ago. So this would be your dining area here. Big window right there. Lots of natural light for your dining ambiance. And we've got your range. Large farmhouse sink here. Nice and deep. Hey, I wanted to take a second to thank you for helping my channel grow. I hope you're enjoying this home tour. To see this home in person or explore other homes for sale in the South Raleigh area, simply call or text me at the number shown below. That's where the microwave is. And off this other way, you've got your laundry hookups and a coat rack, along with some coat hangers, coat hooks. And then through here, you have your 2-car garage. So that covers the first floor. Let's head back through this central room here. Good look at that fireplace while we go by. And then off to the second floor. First thing we get to, there is a closet here. There's the pole for the access. Your attic access is just inside this first room here on the right. Got a very large closet here. Quite deep. Takes quite a chunk out of the room, but I have lots of room for storage there. Here's the next bedroom. Again, looks like there's a big carve out there for another closet. Yeah, very spacious closets. Got a lovely view out the window there. Lots of trees. This is a well-established neighborhood, with this being one of the most recent builds here. Double vanity with some good space in between, and you've got 2 banks of drawers here. So 1 and 2. Again, slow close. Always a nice touch. And then this appears to be multi-use type area. there's another bathroom here with a shower, so full bath. And then this goes off to yet another bedroom with a very healthy sized closet. Everywhere you go, you're going to find a healthy closet in this house. There's also access there to the eaves. And that is 1004 Snow Peak Court in Raleigh. This is just south of Garner. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hey, thanks for watching. I usually post several useful things each week to help people just like you thoughtfully navigate your real estate journey, no matter where you are in the world or where you are in the process. I'm Matthew Cummer, and you can follow me almost anywhere, so check the description for my social media links and other useful ways that I can help you move your future closer to within reach. See you in the next video.